That's stop, Joe.
Oh, so yeah, that reminds me.
Okay.
You didn't enroll for JAM this year. What happened?
Ebuka, of course I want to enroll for JAM, but there's no money. There's no money on ground, there's no money. But maybe next year, if my mom is able to gather some money, of course, I'll take JAM. I'll enroll.
Don't worry. Look at what will happen.
Okay.
When I'm done with my studies, I'll come and marry you. Then I'll put you in a good university so you can study your dream course.
Ebuka.
Why are you laughing?
Ebuka, calm down. Calm down. Calm down and finish your university first before you talk about marriage. You, marry me. Ebuka, please. I am not in the mood for any of your jokes right now. What do you mean marriage? And you're not done with school? Please, no. No, Wana.
I'm serious.
This is this jokes.
I really need to find out someone I will marry.
You can't be serious. Yeah. You marry me? Good afternoon, ma.
Get him.
She did not answer my greeting. Anyway, there's no problem. I have to go home and carry Gary for sale. Mother must be waiting for me. Mama, I'm back.
Welcome. What's up, Mom? So why did it take you so long to return home? Maybe you finished selling and followed Amaka to their own house, forgetting that we have so much to do at home.
No, Mama. Today's market wasn't so good at all. Mama, do you know that I had to walk down so many streets so I can sell all this without bringing back any?
Welcome. No problem. We'll go and keep your basin, then you come and help me pay the bills. Can you see any so?
Oh, okay, Mama. But Mama, I'm very thirsty. Let me drink water first. Oh, please, I'm pleased.
Oh, welcome. Oh.
Gary where they sweet like sugar. Buy your Gary. Buy your Gary. Your sweet Gary. Buy your Gary. Your sweet Gary, oh. Gary where they sweet like sugar. Buy your Gary. Buy Gary, oh, your sweet Gary.
my girl. Maria, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's me now. It's me. Okay. It's me.
Okay. How many times have I warned you to stop standing on my power whenever I am coming back from the market? Huh?
You know this is the only time I can get to see. Your mom doesn't like to see me with you. You know.
No, okay. This will be the last time I will warn you. I am not interested in anything that you want from me. Stand on my word. Yeah?
I got to. Why did you run?
Mama didn't.
Useless boy.
Mama.
How many times have I told you that I don't want to see that boy around? Okay, you want to be as useless as he is, okay? Eh?
Mama, he was the one dragging me. And I asked him to leave me, but he refused now.
Stop it, I like it. He was the one dragging you in. Follow. You will meet me at home. Here, you will. Let me not get home before you.
Okay. Say what you of course now. Say what you of course. Okay.
My daughter,
Yes, Mama.
I love you so much. And I want the best for you. I don't want you to take because your father is no more. And you start following all these boys in this village.
But Mama, I'm not following any man or boy in this village. It is Okwe that is following me about.
Mokem, shut up. Shut up and listen. How can Okwe be following you? Did I not see you? Eh? I want you to be the best you can. I want you to go to school. I'm ready to train you to whatever level. I did not go much, but I want you to be educated. That place I couldn't get to, I want you to get to it. I don't want you to see me as a very weak mother, no. I don't want you to take because your father is dead. And you'll be doing anyhow. No. Even if it means selling the last of my wrappers to train you, I will. I want you to be the best. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you shouldn't have friends. But I want you to make friends that will add value to your life. Do you understand me?
I understand you. Thank you so much. Mama, thank you. Mama, I'll make you proud one day. I promise I'll make you proud.
Your sweet curry hair, very nice, sweet like sugar. Sweet curry hair, buy your curry. Your sweet curry, buy your curry. Your sweet curry, oh, buy your curry. Your sweet curry, buy your curry.
Hello. Excuse me.
Hey. Good day, sir. Hello, sir, you called me. Hello, sir, you called me.
I'm sorry, I lost my thought. How much do you sell?
Wow, he's such a fine man. Look at his eyes, so charming. In the way he talks can melt a woman's heart.
Hello?
Hello.
Huh? Sorry, sir. Sir, what were you saying, sir?
How much do you sell?
Penta is 2.5, sir.
2.5.
2.5.
I want everything.
Sir, everything.
Yes.
Hold on. Sir, it's 12.5. But since you are buying one, I will give you for 12,000 naira.
Okay.
Yes.
That's fine.
Okay, so Lenny.
No, wait. I don't have cash on me. Just follow me to my house and then I can pay you and get the Gary.
Sir, your house?
Look, don't need to worry. You're not getting into my house. You just stay by the gates. I'll get in, collect money and give to you. Okay? Please, I really need this Gary.
Okay. After you, sir. Okay. Yeah, they're at the back.
Yeah. This is very.
Sir, please help me again. Sir, please. Sir, that is all. Okay, sir. Sir, please hold on. Let me count my money, Okay. Sir, you gave me 15,000, but my money is 12,000 naira. Let me give you change, sir.
No, look, it's okay. It's okay. For your kind gesture, you can keep the rest, okay?
Sir, you mean it?
Yes, I do.
I should keep the whole 15,000
Yes, you should.
for 5 penta of Gary?
It's okay. It's all yours.
Thank you, sir.
Second house. So this is my house. I want you to be delivering Gary to me daily, okay?
Daily, sir.
Yes, every day.
Okay, no problem. I will, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let me. Thank you, sir.
Sure.
God bless you, sir.
You're welcome, huh?
Bye, sir. Mama, are you going out? What happened to our Gary? Mama, someone bought everything to me. One person. Mama, one person. And he even said I should bring more for him tomorrow. Really? No, I'm telling you.
Maybe the person has a large family that loves Gary. Well. Eh?
Well, I don't know. But one thing I know is that he said he loves the curry.
Yay! Thank God you came early. I was about going out. And I'm still going here.
I'm thinking about.
Take. We don't have water at home. Pico, after eating, you rest a while. Then you go and fetch water.
Mama, just go back now.
That is why I said when you eat, you rest more. There's no water in the drum. Oh, Pico, you fill it up. Oh, let me go to the market.
Take care, Mama.
Take care. Oh, welcome. Oh, yeah. No one.
Please let him.
Where are they? Eh? Where are they? Where are these poverty-stricken people?
Hey, Chief.
Now listen, you both. You stupid poverty-stricken woman with her dirty daughter. Thank God I met you both here.
But, is everything alright?
Tell this your stinking dirty daughter never to come close to my son again. Because nothing in this world will make my son get married to a low-life, poverty-stricken idiot like this thing you call daughter. He is not of the same class with you. And we are not of the same class.
It's true. We don't even have any class. My daughter said that it is your son that is running after her, not the other way around.
How dare you? How dare you say such a thing? Eh? How can you say that my son is the one going after your dirty no-life self? Mama, will you shut up your mouth? I'm still talking. How dare you speak when I'm talking? That's a very big insult to my royal family. Eh? Now listen and listen good. If I ever see you close to my son again, Jesus, I will kill you both. Is that understood? Oh, you want to come and join the rich family, isn't it? Where was your father? Yes, I ask. Where was your father when his mates were making money? No, he was busy pursuing masquerade. Let me see you close to my son again, or to my family. You will see the other side of me. Fools! Nonsense!
Hey, why did you make us a laughing stock, God? Why, God, why? Hey, God. Why?
Nee, what just happened?
Your chief came here
Yes, I saw her.
and she insulted us, even my late husband.
It is. We saw her. It's okay.
Did we create ourselves?
No.
If I had an option, I would have wanted to be a rich woman.
I know. Some rich people too, they are not like this too, eh? Some of them are good. Some of the rich people, they are also good. Eh? Why chief? Okay, stop crying.
Insulted my late father.
Okay.
Please stop crying. You are the one to tear that companion.
Stop. Give me. It's okay, let me help.
Don't worry, I'll do it, son. You do it.
Jesus.
Zobe! You need to see this girl. The way she walks. The way she talks. She's an epitome of guilty. Bro, I mean, no real man will look at this girl and turn the other side.
Joy love.
My friend Alex is in love. Really, I'd like to see this girl that's making my friend go gaga. Look. When am I meeting her?
The issue is I haven't yet mustered the courage to tell her how I feel about her.
I don't understand. You've not told her yet how you feel about her. Why?
I'm scared.
Scared about what?
Like the fear. What if she rejects me? What if she turns me down?
Oh, come on. Huh? Rejects you down, fine boy. Oh, okay, the good old saw. Rejects you how? So let me tell you something. Life itself is a gamble. You lose some, you win some. And life goes on. Bro, don't be scared about anything. Take your shots.
Oga? Ben, can't you see that I'm having an important conversation here?
Oga, this one self is very, 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 very important. You will like it.
I'm listening.
You like it that says Gary? She's like it.
My angel is here. In the flesh and blood.
The girl you're talking about?
Yes.
The one you're talking about?
Yes.
Good day, sir.
Hello. Hope I didn't keep you waiting.
No, not really. Yeah. Yes.
No, it's okay. It's fine. It's okay. Tomorrow, right? Same time.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're
Thank you. All right. Bye-bye, sir.
Zoe, what was that crazy attitude you displayed out there from?
Wait, Alex. Is that the queen of beauty? No, sorry. Let me use your own words. An epitome of beauty. A girl no man can resist. A street hawker. Come on, Alex, that low. Man, you need to step up your game. Alex, wake up. Wake up, my brother. Huh? This is not back then when you were under your...
Enough! One more word. So I say one more word from you, and I'll bring down this gutter you call a mouth. What the hell? Go on now!
Fine. Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
I really envy you. So you finally got admission to study law.
My dear, this was good though. If not, who I know. And I thank God for my dad too. He put his best.
I wish my father is alive. His dream was for me to study medicine since he couldn't finish school. But the devil aborted that dream by cutting his life short. And here I am.
It's okay. It's okay, my dear friend. It's okay. All hope is not lost. And you know you're still young. God can still make way where there is no way. Trust me. Let's go. Okay? I have more gist to tell you. Stop crying.
Okay, it's okay. Kish, it's okay. Thank you, it's okay. I'm asking for you. Thank you, my friend.
That girl don't come now.
Which girl?
The girl where they sell garri for you.
Okay. Tell us to come in.
Oga. Look, I tell her make it come in.
Are you stupid? Can't you say I can't walk to the gate?
Sorry, sir.
Come on, go and bring her in.
Sorry, Nana is here. Okay. I think you can come in.
Why? I can give you the Gary to take to him now. He's busy. I can come back later to collect my money, eh?
No. He said you can come in. It's just that he has injury in his leg, so he cannot walk properly. He said I should bring you on. So you bring it on yourself.
Sorry. Well, yeah, let's go. Please go. Let's go, please.
Yeah, Nico.
Good day, sir.
Good day. Ben, you can leave us.
No need, sir. Let me just drop it here. Your house is so big, I may not be able to find my way back.
No, that's fine. You can give him the Gary to keep in the kitchen.
Oh, so... Sir, no. I cannot accept this money. I can't.
Why?
Sir, just give me money for my Gary, let me go. My mother is becoming so uncomfortable with the way you're always giving me money.
Look, it's okay. Just tell your mom a friend decided to reward your kind gestures with this. Okay? It's okay. Take it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, what happened to your leg?
No worries. It's going to be fine.
But it doesn't look fine to me, sir. Since I came in, I noticed that your leg is getting more swollen.
I hit it on a chair. But not to worry. The nurse has been coming daily to check it up.
Can I have a look, please?
Well, you can, but be careful. Call it.
Please. Sorry, sir. Just a moment. I'll be back. Please, come and show me the way out. Please, hurry. Sir, I'll be back. Sir, I'm back. Sorry. Oh. Sir, you have to endure this. This will be painful.
Oh.
Oh.
Sorry.
Stay, baby.
Just once more, huh? Small. Sorry. Sorry, sir.
I think I feel better already. Most of the pain is almost gone.
That's so nice. You walk. Just listen me.
Wow.
You'll be fine. Very soon, the swelling will go down.
Wow.
Yeah. I have to take my leave.
No, please don't go. If you leave, the pain might return.
It won't. You'll be fine. It won't return. I assure you that.
Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
I don't even know your name. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Maria.
Oh, that's a beautiful name. And
Thank you, sir.
where did you learn to do all this?
Sir, it's hereditary. We know the use of plant just by the sight of it.
Wow. That's a great gift.
Yes, sir. That is why my father wanted me to study medicine.
and become a pharmacist. But that dream was cut short when he died. Oh. But my mother has always kept me hopeful. She's all I have right now.
That's good.
Thank
Hope
you.
is good. It's like they say, where there's life, there's hope. There's something I've been wanting to tell you.
No, please. Your leg. You can sit down while you're saying it. Please.
Maria,
Sir.
I love you. I am in love with you. What have I done? What have I done?
Chinwe, what happened? Our garri is remaining.
Yes, Mama. Market wasn't too good today.
What about that your customer that buys off everything? He didn't come today.
Mama, I went there. But the security man told me he traveled and he doesn't know when his oga will come back.
Hi. Okay. No problem. Every day is not Christmas. We'll add to it. We'll add to it and you can sell tomorrow. Oh?
Okay, Mama.
Cheer up. Cheer up as well.
Should I tell her the true reason? She'll be disappointed. I should just keep it to myself.
Ben. Have you seen Maria lately?
Maria. Oga, who is Maria?
The lady who brings Gary for me.
Oh, that girl. don't pay. I never see that girl pass the streets. That has been long. She never passed the streets.
Look, when next you see her, make sure you tell me immediately, okay?
Okay, sir. Sir.
And why are you here and not at your duty post?
It's my shoe. I wanted to touch it more. Like, I punish her.
Okay, we get that. And look, don't forget, like I said, if you see her, let me know.
Bye, Gary. Sweet Gary here. Bye, Gary. Sweet Gary here. Your sweet Gary here. Bye, Gary. Your sweet Gary here. Your sweet Gary here. Bye, Gary. Bye, Gary. Your sweet Gary here.
Maria!
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Consider this poor girl, B. Or are you trying to make a mockery or think I'm getting to my situation because I'm poor? What do you want?
Maria, look, I am Alex, and I mean none of those things you just said. But please, can you just give me a listening ear?
A listening ear. A listening ear. I should give you a listening ear. To play with my emotions. To play with my feelings. When love is just a plaything in the hands of human. Please. I am not ready. I'm not ready for this now. I still have a lot to achieve in my life. Please, leave me alone!
Look, Maria, look. Just listen to me. If, after what I've said, doesn't convince you, if you don't entertain what I've said, then I promise you, you will never see me again. I will walk out of your life for good. But just give me a listening ear. Please.
Okay.
I love you so much. From the first moment I saw you, I couldn't stop thinking about you. Look, please, just give me an opportunity to show you how much I feel about you.
It's okay. I've heard you. And honestly, I love you too. But we are not of the same class. We are not. We are two different people. So I took my mind off it.
But how could you? How could you take your mind off how you feel?
Because I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared, Sir Alex. And I don't want to get hurt. I don't want you to play with my emotions.
Look, I am not going to do any of that. And I don't mean to do any of those things to you. As a matter of fact, I want you to take me to your mother so I can make our relationship official. I can make my intentions known to her.
Okay. I will have to tell her first. For her decision will determine. Okay?
Okay? That's fine by me. I will wait eternity for you just to be mine.
Okay.
Mama, this Gary is very nice and sweet too.
Very nice, so don't go and finish it. Where is the young man from?
He's from Delta State, Ogwashiku precisely. While his mom is from Oka, Anambra State.
Did you tell him you're from Abu?
Yes, Mama, I did now. And he was so happy. Because he has prayed never to marry from a far state or community. So he's happy, Mama.
He's talking about marriages, Mosbo.
He is. So should I ask him to come?
I'll think about it. Didn't wet it up.
Oh, Mama, I forgot.
Let you break it. Are you expecting a visitor? A car is parking there.
Mama, that's Alex, the guy I told you about. He's the one.
Hello, Mama.
Hello. Welcome. Oh.
Thank you.
Any problem?
No, Ma. I actually came here to see you.
To see me? Well, go and bring a better seat for him.
No, Ma, it's fine. I can actually sit here.
Want to come and sit. Welcome.
Thank you.
Go and take money from under my pillow. Go and buy me Nara.
Okay, Mom.
No, Mama, it's fine. I am okay.
Okay, just go. Since he said he wants to see me, take. No, go. He wants to talk to me alone.
Okay.
I hope there's no problem.
No, Mama. Everything is fine.
Okay. I've heard what you said. Oh, damn. That relationship will not work.
Mama, why? I love your daughter. And she also loves me very much. Mama, please. Give us a chance.
Oga, what chance now? You're obviously a rich man. We are not rich. We are poor people. Huh? There's no way you can marry my daughter. Moreover, she has her future ahead of her to catch up with. And death. Why would you take my husband when we needed him most? Oh, Jesus.
Mama, sorry. Mama, please stop crying. Mama, look. When one door closes, God opens up another door. I believe I'm here because God wants me to help your daughter. God wants me to help her to achieve her goals.
Why did you come here to mock us? We sell petty things. She hawks them. Why do you want to mock us? Okay, please go. Just leave. Biko, leave.
Mama, please look. I am always saying this because I'm in love with your daughter so much. I don't mean to offend you.
Go now. I'm not interested in what you have to say. Whether you love her or not, just go. Biko, go. Just go, Oga, please. Go. You're rich, we are poor. Just go. Pico, go. Let's go.
Mama. Mama, where is he?
He's here.
Mama, here is Alex. Where is he now?
Have you finished peeling the egusi? See, I'm sorry. This whole thing will not work. Maria,
Mama.
I don't ever want to see that man here again.
So how was your visit to Maria's house, bro?
It didn't go well at all. This woman rejected me. She says I am not in her daughter's class. Like, what does that even mean?
What are you intend doing now?
Zubi, come on now. If I had a solution, would I have called for you here? That's why you are here, to come up with a solution.
Okay. Okay. How about you entice her with gifts? Or let's say lots of money. What do you think? Come on, everybody loves money now. Huh? Yeah. Works every time, come on.
Your mom said both of us can't be together. She said the poor and the rich does not have anything in common. That I should go look for someone in my own class. What does that have to do with love?
It does, Alex. It does. I told you from the onset that this cannot work between us. The difference is clear. There is a huge gap between the rich and the poor. Please. Let's not force this to avoid any one of us getting hurt. Please.
Maria. No one is going to get hurt. Please, let's fight for our love.
But my mother...
What is it? I told you never to come here again. What do you want?
Good day, Ma.
What do you want?
Since as Maria has not been coming by, I said I come here to get the Gary myself.
You want to buy a Gary?
Yes, Mama. Okay.
2 pentas, 5,000. What's this?
Mama, here is some money, not just for the Gary, but upkeep for you and Maria.
What kind of insult is this? What is it? That is one thing I hate about you rich people. Give me my 5,000, you're giving me money, big money. For what? You think you can buy my conscience with money? You think I can mortgage my daughter's future with money?
No, Mama, it's not what you're paying. It's...
Oh, rich people, you don't have respect for poor people. Please, just carry your money and go. Give me 5,000 or you give me my Gary back, please.
Mama, please. This is going to go a long way. Just take it.
I should take what? Take your money and leave. Go away, leave. If I hear one word from you again, I'll call vigilante people. I'll call them. Just leave my house. Take your money, give me my 5,000, or you give me my Gary. Why are you leaving it? Take your money. Take your money. Think you can buy my conscience? That's why I don't like rich people. They don't have regards for poor people. You think I'll sell my conscience because of money? You think I'll sell my daughter's future? I will not mortgage my daughter's future because of money.
Amaka, I really envy you. So you finally got admission and you are leaving only me in this village. Eh?
Don't say that now. I will still be coming to see you during the holidays period.
I wish my mom allow me to be with the man I love. Allow me to be with the man that my heart desire. But she said no. Forgetting that love have no class. That it can connect the rich and the poor. And they can become one. But she doesn't see it this way. I don't know what to do. And it's like her decision is final.
You're right, my friend. But don't lose hope. Your mom wants the best for you. Whatever will be, will be. Do you understand? Calm down. Calm down.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm bad.
Let me just see you off.
I'll miss you.
I will miss you too.
Good. I really miss you.
I'll miss you too, my dear friend. Let me see you off now, okay?
Thank you.
Come.
Was Alex here?
This is the map of his province. Mama?
Mama? Mama?
Huh?
Mama,
What is it?
he was here.
Yes. To buy our hearts with his ritualist money.
Mama, how can you say that? Do you think you're doing the right thing?
Yes, my child. For your happiness.
But mother, I'm losing that happiness daily with his absence. I cannot live without him.
Mary, I was busy weeding before you came, and I want to go back to it. Go inside and look for something to do.
Mama, what you're doing is unfair. This is heartbreaking, Mama. Mama, please stop separating us. I'm begging you, please. Mama, please, no, Mama. Mama, this is unfair.
Wait. So you mean that she threw your hard-earned money to your face and sent you out of her compound?
Zubi, this woman was so mean to me. I mean, her anger rose to the power 100 as soon as I presented her with the money. Omo, nice speed I take come from that area. You know this woman threatened to call the community vigilante on me.
Hey. Maybe she doesn't like the fact of you being rich for her daughter. Besides, poor people feel intimidated by the rich. I think you should come down to their level, Alex. Bring it down a little bit.
Come down to their level. How?
Boy, they don't now, eh? Look, see. And now nothing else. Understand? For you now. So.
You see, for this brilliant idea, let's go inside and video post or something.
Before it's on the gas. He said, let's go inside. Right now, all going on. Oh, how about you live in EZEONU? Oh, I need light sweat.
Eyes of love, eyes of love. This is eyes of love. Beauty inside, beauty is simple. Eyes of love, see with eyes of love. Beauty inside, eyes of love, eyes of love.
Maria.
This is eyes of love.
I've missed you so much.
I've missed you too. Where's Mama?
She went to the market. She's not around.
Okay.
Why are you dressed like this? What happened? Talk to me. Why are you dressed like this?
Oh, this is for you, my love.
But you know you don't have to do this. You are good just the way you are.
Look, maybe this can convince your mother into liking you. She didn't like the rich me. Maybe she's going to like the poor me. Hmm? In the meantime, do you think I can help you with something?
Yes, I was sweeping it. But let me get cutlass. You can clear the glass in. Welcome.
Will you be my forever, my world, all be mine? You have taken my love away. You regard me more. Eyes of love, eyes of love. This is eyes of love. Beauty inside.
Mama, you're back. Welcome. Welcome, Mama. Who invited you?
Mama, you're welcome.
You invited him? Mama, why don't you answer his greeting first now?
Are you actually weeding? Or this is another style? Since your money could not get you what you wanted.
Mama, I am really sorry about last time. I did not know what to do to make you to understand that I actually love your daughter so much.
Yeah.
This is eyes of love.
It's fine. You can come and sit down. Oh.
Now, what did you pay?
Mama, I sincerely want to apologize again for the last time. That does not reflect who I am. I didn't just know how to make you to understand that I really want a future with your daughter.
Mama, what's that?
This is Ucheko. Do you eat?
Yes, ma.
You will like it. Come on, taste it. You will like it. Mama. Come on now, taste it. You will like it now. Mama, you smell. Mama, he likes it. Eh? Are you okay?
Am I supposed to swallow?
No, just lick it. You don't have to swallow it now. Should I get you water?
It's fine.
Oh yeah, continue. Should I get you water to drink? Oh, no. But this thing is nice now. It's not bitter now.
Yes, it's nice.
You see why I said this thing will not work? He cannot even eat what we eat. It will not work. It's not about dressing down. It will not work.
Mama, sorry, I think I will take my leave now.
As you wish. I'll let.
Ordinary Ucheko. That's what he's doing as if there was pepper inside.
Mama.
It will not work.
Mama.
Papa, it will not work.
Mama, must you speak to him like that? Can't you see?
Don't you like honesty? You want me to start lying or start pretending?
But this young man is doing everything possible to please you. Mama, be calm. Be cool.
I was too scared to ask you before, but on this day, you can say no. Will you be mine forever, baby? Will you be mine forever? My world, oh, be more. You have taken my love away. Eyes of love, eyes of love. This is eyes of love. Beauty inside, beauty is simple. Eyes of love. See it with eyes of love. Beauty inside.
Mama,
Hmm?
there is something I want to talk to you about.
If it is about that, Alex, I don't want to talk about it. Wait though. Don't tell me he has touched you. I hope you're not going to tell me you are pregnant. Because if you do, I will kill you and kill myself.
Mama, he hasn't touched me. Has not at all.
Good.
But it is important that we talk about this. Please.
I'm listening. What is the thing you said you wanted to discuss with me?
Mama, it's actually about Alex.
Yeah. But I warned you. I told you I don't want to talk about him again.
Mama, please. Biko, just listen to me. Please. Listen to what I have to say.
I'm listening.
Mama, Alex is a good man. I have seen it. He's someone that will do everything possible just to make me happy. And I know that I'll be happy with him. So Mama Biko, I'm begging you, please. Allow us to experience this love and bond that we both share. Please.
Mariam, you are all I have in this world. And I will do anything and everything to make you happy. But you see, Alex, no. No. Mba.
Mama, why?
Because he's a ritualist.
He's not a ritualist, Mama. He's a good man. He's not a ritualist, Mama, please.
How did you know? No, how did you know he's not a ritualist? A small boy driving that kind of big car. How did he make the money? No. Tell me how he made the money, if not through rituals.
Mama, so there's nothing I will say about Alex that will make you change your mind?
Nothing.
Mama, here's the guy I'll be taking to the market today.
They're not going to the market again, no?
But why, Mama?
Because I said so. Period.
is it? What is it? How many times have I warned you not to call me your love again?
Yeah, my love now. Wait, this one I haven't working like this. What is going on? Why are you working like one Akuna that stole from the man she finished sleeping with?
Look at the nonsense that you're saying. It is you and your mother with your sisters that is Akuna. Nonsense.
All this level they do kurikiri waka. One day, eyes will they look wara wara. Still see am.
Eyes of love, eyes of love. This is eyes of love. Beauty inside, beauty is in reality. See with eyes of love, beauty inside. Eyes of love. Of love. This is eyes of love, 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 eyes of love. Baby, bola muwe, bola muwe. Baby, bola muwe, bola muwe. See my future in you. I can see the future in your eyes. Baby, I was too scared to ask you before, but on this day you can say no. Will you be mine forever, baby? Will you be mine forever? My world, oh, be more. You have taken my love away. You regard me more. Oh, yeah, get more. Eyes of love, eyes of love. This is eyes of love, beauty inside. Baby, bola muwe, bola muwe. Baby, bola muwe, bola muwe. Baby, bola muwe, bola muwe. I can see my future in you. I can see the future in your eyes. Baby, I was too scared to ask you before, but on this day you can say no. Will you be mine forever, baby? Will you be mine forever? My world, oh, be more. You have taken my love away. You regard me more. Oh, yeah, get
Why is my mother making it difficult for us?
Maria, I only wish that she could see our hearts.
I also wish that she understands the kind of person I see in you. You don't care about your wealth.
the love that we have for each other. How much I love you.
I love you too, Maria. And I'm ready to do whatever it takes for your mom to see that I am not like other guys.
I was too scared to ask you before, but on this day you can say no. Will you be mine forever, baby? Will you be mine forever? My world, I'll be more. You've taken my love away. You regard me more.
I really miss you.
I missed you so much, my love. Guess what?
Just tell me. You know I'm not good at guessing.
Babe, just guess.
Come on, I can't guess. Just tell me.
Well, since as we can't get to see each other every day,
Okay.
I thought we should be able to talk to each other every day.
Oh my word! You got me a phone? Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I've always wanted to have a phone.
You like it?
I like it. I love it. God, thank you so much.
You're welcome, babe.
This is a nice phone, and I really like it. But my mother, she won't permit me to use this phone until after I get into the university, which I don't know if, or I don't think if it will ever happen.
Yeah, look, babe, you don't have to talk like that. Of course it's going to happen. You just have to believe it and keep it in your heart, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. My love, I think you have to leave now.
Why?
Oh, you see that drink over there? I have to fill it up before my mother comes back.
Well, in that case...
Why are you smiling?
Well, then in that case, I think we have to fill it up together.
You must be joking.
Well, I'm not.
Alex, are you...
They say what one head can do, two heads can do better.
Are you okay? Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I would have bought something for you to put on your head. I forgot, eh? Sorry.
Is that one of my...
No, there's no way. It's fine. You know? Sorry, eh? I'm very annoyed to this type of things. I'm told. Il est
eyes of love, 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 eyes of love.
Yeah, those things not as easy as I thought.
Point so that you know.
Turn in yours.
I can see my future in you. I can see the future in your eyes. Baby,
Come on. It's so cool. Let's go. Let's go. Hey,
I was too scared to ask
where's your cover?
I'm tired.
but on this day,
Let's hurry now, you know. Let's hurry up before your mother comes.
Oh, Alex, please. I can't walk.
will you be
Let's go.
my
Come on.
friend?
Just get up.
Please let me rest for a while. I'm tired.
Will you be
Oh,
my
Okay, come here. Let me carry you. Come back.
my world? I'll be more. You've taken my love
Or do you agree to like this?
Eyes of love.
Maria.
Oh, okay. She needs to fetch one.
Well done, ma.
Mama, welcome.
Why did you stop? Hey, continue with what you're doing.
I hope your mom is not going to scold you for allowing me to help you.
That is what I'm scared of. And she gave me a serious warning not to get close to you.
Look, I'm sorry if my actions are going to cause you any pain. But I'm ready to face anything for your sake.
Then it's fine. Alex, you have to leave me.
I can see my future in you. I can see the future in your eyes.
You can sit.
I was too scared to ask you.
It's obvious you love my daughter so much. But the problem is that the pair will not work. Yes, the parent is wrong. You are a rich man. She's from a poor family. And I've seen how rich people treat poor people. I don't want anyone to turn my daughter into a slave, all because we are poor. So I don't think it will work. Please, just go and look for somebody of your class. Pico.
Please. Mama, honestly, I am not like that. Mama, I was not always rich. Yes, my father might have been a successful farmer until his death. I struggled with my mother in the village.
Could do now, leave it. If I come back, I'll do it.
I want to do it before you come back from work. So may I help you to do it? How is market today, my son?
I know today's our market day, so I sold everything even before entering to the market.
Thank God. Your food is inside. Go and eat, so we can go to the other side, pack some firewood.
Okay, go inside. If I finish packing it, I'll come and eat.
Do it quick, so we can go and drop some harvest of cassava for tomorrow market. We'll do it first. Are you tired?
No.
Come, let me help you and carry it.
No, Mama. This one that you are done instead. You're not even supposed to carry it. Let me help you.
Son,
Let me help you.
thank you so much. My God will bless you.
Amen.
My God will bless you so much.
Don't worry. If not that this wheelbarrow is filled up with this firewood, I would have asked you to enter. Let me ride you. But don't worry.
My God will bless you, my son. Let's go.
One day, if they shall do this, I will ride you in your boat.
Amen.
I got this.
Let's go, my son.
See, Alex has come of age. He's not getting any younger. And that is why I've decided to come and take him to the city. So that after serving me, he will become a master on his own.
I have heard what she said. When will you be leaving?
Precisely tomorrow. Yes, we will take the night bus.
Uncle, so soon?
Myself,
Nah.
go with him.
They said a stitch in time saves 9. Let's make hay while the sun shines. You cannot sit here. Look at your father's grave here. So let's speed actions so that you become a man on your own.
Yes, now. You go with him, my son.
Well, Mama, I miss you.
Miss you too.
let's run so that we will not miss our bus.
Shall be well with you. Whatever you lay your eyes shall prosper. Go well.
It's okay, let's go.
Go well, my son.
After serving my master for 7 years, he settled me and then introduced me to some of his partners in China. That made me to who I am today. Mama, please, let me make a difference in your daughter's life.
Ndumo, Mapiko, please give us a chance. Please, Mama.
I've heard everything you said. I always follow my daughter each time she sneaks out to see you. I know she loves you so much. But I have to pray over it. I really have to pray over it. Let me hear from God. Then I'll give you a feedback.
Eyes of love, eyes of love. This is eyes of love. Beauty inside, beauty inside. Reality, see with eyes of love. Beauty inside, eyes of love.
What an oceanic beauty.
Eyes of love, love, love. Eyes of love.
My king, shall we?
Whatever my queen wants, she gets.
Oh my God.
I can see the future in your eyes.
Thank you.
I was too scared to ask you before. But
Bro, so what's it you want to talk to me about?
Well, I invited you over to officially tell you that I, Alex, is ready to take the woman of my dreams to the altar.
You know why? Take who to which altar? Have you even met anyone? Wait. Is it that you've met someone and you don't want to tell me because of what happened? Guy. But I've apologized. Come on. Hey, okay, who is the lady? I want to meet that lady that has taken the heart of this, my friend. Eh? When are we meeting her? Okay, talk, I beg. Don't invite me, Joe. Talk now, Alex.
Honey,
Yes, darling.
can you bring my phone?
She's in here.
Okay.
In the flesh.
Gone.
Here's your phone. Oh, good day, sir.
Wait,
Yes, honey.
this is my friend, Azubike. But you can call him Zube.
Okay. I'm Maria. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. It's a pleasure.
Thank
You're such a beautiful queen.
Thank you. Honey, I was doing something upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Take care, son.
Hey, Oga.
Oh my God.
Okay, see. Okay. Where did you get this beauty from? You need to take me there. I need word of my own. I'll sing book. Come on. I'm gonna laugh. Alpha. Where did you get that from? Hear me now.
Yes.
See, I don't too old for this stuff. Swear, where did you get that from? Man to man, no.
Same Maria. Same girl.
Wait, oh. The hawker. Onigari.
Come on, please. That's my past.
This is neat. You did a good job. Look at this man.
Now you know.
Wow.
Well, Zubi, the main reason I invited you over today is to inform you that it will be an honor for me to have you as my best man.
Come on. You know what? Everyone do it before. This guy, best man, you tell me. Who be your best man before?
This is eyes of love, 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 eyes of love. Baby, bola moe, bola moe, baby, bola moe, bola moe.
Maria! Jesus!
Mama, how do I look?
I've changed. Jesus! Alex,
Mama.
welcome.
No.
Hey! Hey! Is this my daughter?
Ma, it's me, Maria.
My daughter!
Maria.
Hey! Maria!
Mama.
Jesus!
Alex, I want to thank you for this transformation you made on my daughter. Huh?
Mama, no need to thank me. All I did for my love.
Chai.
It's like they say, when love leads, life appreciates.
Oh. Yes,
We also came here to tell you that we will be moving you from this house to the new place that we've acquired for you.
Yes, Mama.
My son, thank you very much. Thank you. But I cannot leave this house. It is my husband's ancestral home. And we've been here since I got married to him till he's dead. Until now, I don't think I want to leave. Thank you.
Mama, I understand. The place we have looked for you is just the place for you to be momentarily while we rebuild this one. When we finish rebuilding this house, then you can move back to this house. Yeah. And one more thing, Mama, please. I will need to know when I can come and see your husband's people so I can do the marriage rites for Maria.
Whenever you're ready, just let me know. I'll be waiting.
Thank you, Mama. Finally, Mama, I wanted to inform you that we've decided that my love will sit for her jam so she can go to the university and finally fulfill your late husband's dream of her becoming a doctor.
Mama, please don't cry. Please, Mama.
Alex, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I misjudged you. I thought you were like other rich people who look down on poor people. I never knew you were a very kind person. I'm truly sorry.
It's okay, Mama. I understand. You were only looking out for your daughter.
Mama.
Please stop crying. It's okay.
Today I'll bless your union. Please.
What do you mean my order was cancelled? Are you out of your senses or what? Nonsense. Did you tell him who made the order? I'm on my way to your office now.
Good afternoon.
I am here to see Alex.
My guy is not around.
How do you mean he's not around? I am just coming from his office and the manager told me that he's not around, which means he's at home.
Yes, you're very correct. But he traveled at the moment with his newly wedded wife for his honeymoon. And he'll be back by next week.
Oh. Well, that's okay. I'll check on him next week because I need to see him personally.
Okay, I hope there's no problem. Eh? See attitude. Big man, big trouble.
Congratulations, man. You have the most beautiful and hardworking wife. And I'm sorry, I wouldn't have judged her by her condition then. My bad, I'm sorry.
It's okay, Zube. All that is in the past now. It is like what they say. You make what you love, what you want them to be. Only then can you see the beauty and greatness that lies beneath them.
Don't be lying. This is my mother. My mother don't find love, no motivation.
So remember,
yeah,
change is constant. Every other thing is subject to change.
Good one. Good one.
Cheers to love.
And cheers to friendship.
And cheers to more money.
Cheers, brother.
Like I said, I can't continue the supply. If I do, the company will be bankrupt. You are owing the company 14 million naira.
I know. Just give me another chance. I promise after the supply, I will make all the payments.
As it stands now, it is no longer in my powers to decide.
But you are the CEO. Whatever you say stands. Just give the order and it will be carried out.
Be that as it be, someone else is in charge of that.
Really?
Ben!
Ben!
Stop!
Yes.
Call my mother. She'll be here shortly. allowed to be
God has blessed you. Why are you so wicked? Wickedness, we do you no good, my dear. Akonye chukwu gọziri n'enu ụwa, ọsị ndị ọzọ bụrụ ọnụ.
Mama.
Ifoma. When you chief, you're here.
Wait. You know each other? Oh my God. Such a small world.
Very small world.
Mama, this is the woman whose order I stopped because she's owing the company 14 million naira.
Yes, I'm aware. I checked the profile and I found out she's the one.
Well, she's here to ask for more credit so she can pay all her debts at once.
That's not possible. Chiwendo, you need to clear the old debts before we can give you a fresh supply. If not, our company will be running in deficits.
Ifoma, please, I know I have wronged you in the past. But as it is now, you're my last hope. Please, forgive me. Please.
Really? It's a small world indeed. Have you forgotten what you told me? That we are not in the same class. You even insulted my late husband. Threw away my gari. You see life? Now you're at my mercy. Indeed, that saying is correct. What goes around comes around. Honestly, I don't want to talk much. Just get out of this compound.
Please, Ifo.
Get out! Just out!
Chiwendo. Yes, Ifoma.
I wish I had your kind of heart. I would have loved to pay you back in your own coin. But if I do, I will not have peace. I'll pay your old debts.
Yeah? Hi.
But make sure you clear everything once your business balances.
Yes, Ifoma, I promise. Of course I will do that. This has actually taught me a great lesson. That we should be humble. That we're all equal before God. Please. Please.
It's fine.
Please, Ifoma, can I give you a hug? Hi.
Emezina mu ifanya mmiri na na-agụ m akwa. Agbawazina obi m, ọ bụrụ m kere onwe m. Ụbịam dị ndị ụwa, ụbịam ga-adịkwa nnebe. Gịnị ka m mere gị? Nrapụ na-enye aka. Onye ribe n'elu ụwa, ọ sị ndị ọzọ erina. Ewo, ewo, ọ sị ndị ọzọ erina. God has blessed you. Why are you so wicked?